Ooh, 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 I feel that. You feel that? Yeah. Ooh. I went to, where did I go? Oh, I went to Miami. And then, and then I went to New York, DC, Boston, back to New York, Baltimore, and then here.
How was Baltimore?
It was alright.
I want to go.
For real?
Yeah, I've just never been.
What's over there?
I mean, it's supposed to have good food.
Oh, food.
Right, it's supposed to have good food, but it's just different. You know what I'm saying? Just to try out, just to see a new spot. You know, I've been to Miami way too many times. No offense to Miami, love Miami. Just saying.
You probably just went to South Beach.
What? No.
Wynwood?
Well, we go to different ones. Like I wasn't in Miami earlier this year. We went to Clearwater, so we just go to different places.
Oh.
But definitely Miami's. I like Miami a little bit more. Yeah, still got a short leg.
Uh-oh.
Lift this leg up off the table, but don't bend it, okay? Yep, and then the other one. Was one more difficult than the other?
Yeah.
Which one?
Can I do it again?
Yeah.
The left.
All right. Here we go. Remember the activator, something like that? Okay, lift this one first. And then the other one. Better, worse, or about the same as before?
Better.
Okay. When's your next gig?
What is today? No.
Well, I had to think about it. What?
I think next weekend here.
He's gonna be here?
I think.
You think?
Oh, that camera. Duh. It's
okay.
4 cameras.
Alright. Here we go.
Uh-oh, hold on. I know what you're about to do. Okay.
You ready?
Sure.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm trying to see what the table is.
Like you gonna fall off. Alright, take a deep breath in.
Ooh.
All the way out. Let's do it one more time.
Okay.
All the way out. Drop that head, let it go.
Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, I feel that. You feel that? Shoot.
Alright, lift over to the other side. Whenever you're ready.
You heard that noise?
Yes, I love it.
Girl, please.
You ready? All the way over. I love how she whispers.
Ooh, boy.
All right, scoot closer. A little more. Right, perfect. All right, deep breath in. All the way out. Why are you holding it? Let it go.
Wait a minute. I thought you was going to tell me, let it go. Wait.
Deep breath in. All the way out. Let it go. Drop your shoulder.
Ooh. Phew. I'm sweating.
You sure that's from this and not from yesterday?
I don't know.
Lay on your stomach whenever you're ready.
You waiting on me?
Yes.
No rush. I promise.
Oh, Lord.
Deep breath in. All the way out. Drop your chest, drop it.
Oh, boy.
This one right here.
Oh, boy.
Pick your head straight back.
Huh?
Pick your head up. Then you're gonna let your hand, just like that. Let it cheek down. Yep. Little pressure here and here, okay? Deep breath in. All the way out. All the way out. Let it go. Let it go.
Oh, Lord. Oh, God.
All right. Up and over just like that.
Oh, Lord.
You need a second?
Oh. Wait a minute.
Okay.
Okay.
Deep breath in. Now let it all the way out. Okay. Drop that shoulder.
Oh,
That was so much better.
oh, boy. Oh, Lord.
All right, you can flip over.
Ooh, shucks. Okay.
Ain't nobody fooling with you.
Flip over like this?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, my neck feels so much better. Clearly I have some tension.
Just a little bit.
Yep.
Just a little bit. Sorry, y'all.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
This that thing, ain't it?
The what thing?
This that one, ain't it?
No, it's the next one's the one.
Okay,
Not
let
this
me relax. That was the way you treated me, God damn it. Oh, boy. Okay. Ooh, ooh, and woo, woo.
Move your left foot over.
Oh! Ooh. 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 Ooh, boy.
This would have to be one of my most entertaining clients.
Woo, that was deep.
Yeah,
That was real deep, wasn't it?
Mm-hmm.
That was deeper than the first time.
That one stuck a little bit. But you did good though, kid. You did good.
Thank you.
All right, up.
That was.
Don't face that way.
Oh, so now that was the one. That was deep. Phew. Feeling weak. Okay. Feel a little weak.
You need a minute?
Woo. Okay.
All right, interlace your fingers behind your head. My arms are gonna come through here, okay? Once.
I'm still stuck on the last one.
All right, fall back on me. All the way. Big stretch. Deep breath in. All the way out. Let it go. Let it go. All right, one more time. Deep breath in. All the way out. Let everything go. Look up. Just see one big stretch. Thought she was about to fall just then.
Oh, woo.
Lay on your back whenever you're ready. Head down here.
I'm getting an Emmy for this. You just want to
Hey.
So you better edit this properly.
She said it. She spoke it.
Yes. I got to.
Any wrist issues? Problems?
Oh.
Is it bothering you?
Not like they used to. When I used to try to do push-ups and stuff, they felt so weak. Ooh. I feel brand new though. For real.
Good.
I feel relief somewhere.
Somebody gonna go back to sleep in a minute.
Yes, I am. Ooh. Ooh. I think my neck area was real tight. Just a little bit.
You talking about me?
For real though. Is it what?
What you do to your foot?
So,
Oh, one more time. Let me try to get it. Let me know when you're
Huh?
right. Catch this.
On 3. 1, 2.
oh, oh, oh,
She cracked toes too?
everything. Ears, lips, eyes.
Eyes, really?
My feet always messed up.
All you do is stand all day long.
And I'll be barefoot, barefoot.
Well, barefoot's not bad though.
Oh, perfect. Oh, oh, oh,
Let it go.
oh.
There we go.
Oh. 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 That made a shoulder jerk.
Oh. Twitches.
Oh.
All right. I'm going to sit up. Face the camera. Let me get your ears real quick. Because I was not the ears.
This is the first time you recorded with 2 cameras at the same time?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so when we done this, I'm going to ask you to clap your hands so you can see the camera to that camera. So your sound will be set up so your mic will catch. So you record it.
She didn't talk to a damn director.
I need her to, you tell me what I need to do.
It's going to make her life easier.
Go ahead and take this earring out for me.
Oh, you got to undress.
I'm sleepy.
I get naked. I'm playing, y'all. I'm playing. All right, when I ask you on 3, you're just going to kind of let your head fall to me. Just kind of, yep, just like that. You got it. All right, let it fall. 1, 2, 3. Let it go.
Oh, oh. Oh, boy. Damn. I hear better now. Y'all heard that? Oh.
All right, let it fall to me. There we go. All right, we'll stand up, walk around. Let's see how you feel. Anytime, though. Anytime.
I feel brand new.
She walking like she 90. Brand new. All right. All right, everybody. Dr. Howell, Atlanta's mobile chiropractor. Until next time.
Till next time.